Welcome to YesPhx. I'm Daniel Valenzuela. You've heard us say several times, our ability to move our economy forward is dependent on our ability to attract, retain, and develop talent. And many times when you hear that, we're talking about one of our great higher education institutions, but let me tell you, we have some great school districts as well. In fact, the largest school district, the most diverse school district, high school district in the state, is right here in Phoenix, the Phoenix Union High School District, and I am here with my good friend, Dr. Chad Gestson. How you doing, Dr.
Good,
Gestson?
welcome. Welcome to Phoenix Union.
Thank you. Now, developing talent, that doesn't start after high school. That starts K-8, and then, of course, once they get into high school, and you're doing some innovative things here.
That's absolutely our job, right? We're creating talent for today and for tomorrow. Many of our kids are producing in the economy today, making a difference, advocating downtown, jobs in the economy today, but also our job is to send our kids to the university so they can go on to successful careers.
Now, we believe so much in our students in telling this story that this is going to be a four-part segment of YesPhx, a four-part segment. Let's start with your introduction. Now, Dr. Gestson, tell us about your journey and how you became the Phoenix Union High School District Superintendent.
So I'm originally from Seattle, Washington. My wife and I moved down here 15 years ago through Teach for America. And in that 15-year period, I had a chance to teach in the Roosevelt School District in South Phoenix. Then I moved to the Isaac School District in West Central Phoenix. Spent 5 years there, a couple of years as an elementary school assistant principal, and then as a middle school principal. In 2009, I moved over to the Phoenix Union High School District. I was the principal at Camelback High School for 5 years, a great 5 years over there.
Go Spartans.
And then, yeah, go Spartans. And then for the last couple of years, I've been up here at the district office, originally as the Director of Leadership, supervised and supported all the principals. And since September of this year, I've been in this role.
Right. So YesPhx, and you know all about the show, it's about economic development. We have a laser focus on entrepreneurship and innovators. And this is one of the great innovators we have right here in the state. Tell us about what we are going to see in this four-part series.
Well, Phoenix Union is truly one of the most, and we would argue, the most innovative high school district in the country. And that's because we have a commitment to meeting the needs of all of our different kids and our communities. Phoenix is made up of all these different small communities. And so what we've done is we have launched large comprehensive campuses as well as small schools. And so what we're going to see over the next few segments is a glimpse into a couple of our small schools, the Phoenix Coding Academy, as well as Bioscience High School downtown. We also have other specialty schools, Franklin Police and Fire, but also we'll have an opportunity to take a look at some of our large comprehensive campuses with a wide array of AP courses, arts, academics, activities, sports that really are an asset to this community.
Dr. Gestson, when you talk about the children that you are impacting, that we are impacting through this school district, any company, large or small, would love to have those attributes in a workforce. But our kids are more than our future. The Phoenix Union High School District is impacting our economy today. Tell us how.
If you look at us like we're a company, like we're an organization in this town, we would be considered the 38th largest employer in the greater Phoenix area. If you think about that, Phoenix Union is not an expense, right? Our schools are not an expense. We're an investment, not just in the future, but today. We help drive the economy. We don't drain the economy with our 3,000 employees. On top of that, we have funds through bonds, overrides, and state funding to build our schools, to improve our schools. And so we are also pumping sometimes upwards of $100 million a year into local contractors, local companies, small companies, technology companies. We are an economic driver here in the Valley.
Yeah. Dr. Gestson, thank you so much for sharing. This is just segment one. This is a four-part series on YesPhx to cover all the benefits, many of the benefits of the Phoenix Union High School District. Keep watching YesPhx.